Hellcat.
Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Ben here, and today I have a quick little video, hopefully it's quick, on my A3. So this is 2017 Audi A3 2.0 with the Quattro, and I want to show you guys some of the cool things I've done to the vehicle, and then some things I want to do to the vehicle, and some things that will be going on to the vehicle. So first things first, I picked this up in July. Since then, it's been about a few months. Really love this car. It's small, practical, and it's not too much. So it's a 2.0. I believe you get, like, from stock you get like 220 horsepower with 258 pound-feet of torque. So for this city and small places like suburban areas, this is a great car because it's not, you know, you're gonna get stuck in traffic. So, you know, that's that. They do make an S3, which I think puts out like 290 or something. And then they make an RS3, which is like 400 horsepower or something like that. But that's too expensive. You know, you're looking at about like 60,000. So I'm like, nope, I'm good. You can basically customize it to the RS3 specs with like even less than half of the price of that thing. You get full LEDs. These are just the xenon headlights. This gives there is an option for full LEDs, meaning you get LEDs like. That looks different. You'll know. Like the LED strip, instead of running up there, it will go up there and it kind of curves down into this. And I love the grille, how it does this. It has like this is the new face of the A3. There is a new one coming out for the 2020 year or the 2021 year, which is a whole refresh of the front. So you're gonna get a completely different type of grille. One thing I also added was obviously the bracket, because I didn't want it to cover the grille, because this grille is pretty big, and this thing looks way better like that. So plates on the side, that way you know you won't get pulled over for it. I also added this little light, which is the emblem light. And the camera's gonna pick it up. So right now it is on. So this thing is plugged in with the headlights. As soon as the lights turn on for the headlights, this will turn on. Under the hood, let me show you guys a quick thing I got. So let's start off with the small one. So right here we got a power module by Newspeed. So basically it's a plug and play. You plug it in up here, you plug it in down over there. Summer was varied. It's supposed to give your car a little bit more of a horsepower and torque, not like either APR or Unitron or something like that would tune up the vehicle and mess with the ECU. This will not void your warranty because it does not go directly into the ECU or messes up anything like that. This goes directly into the engine. But if you're going to take your car to get it serviced, you can go ahead and take that out, plug it back in afterwards. So yeah, that's that. Next, we have another Newspeed part, which is a cold air intake. This is an open air intake. They make other brands that make a closed box, which looks just like almost like the stock. This it'll be plugged in over here. I went with this one because it was cheaper. So far it's pretty good. I did get the Newspeed turbo inlet pipe, which is right there. I recommend, if you're going to be swapping this out, I recommend you doing that because it's literally the same location. What that pipe is, it's a little bit wider, so you're gonna get more air into it. But yeah, so that's that. And that's the other thing I did. I did switch the rims because the rims were, the ones that I had were pretty cool, but I wanted to get something like this. So if you guys know, this is from the RS7, RS6 package. These are replicas basically. So they're just like it, but not like it, meaning they're aftermarket, obviously. I did get the yellow, got the calipers painted yellow so it can stand out a little bit. So these are 18s. I should have gone with the 19s, but oh well, too late now. The next thing I did do was this, the turn signal on the mirrors. This, if you guys have a car like this, any Audi, this is a must. Let me show you what I mean. So let me turn on the flasher, and you get this beautiful dynamic turn signal. So it does like a little sweep on there, either left or right from the other side. This is obviously the driver's side, but really cool, super easy to install. You just take this cover off, unscrew, like I think it has like 2 or 3 screws. Boom, that's it. Plug in, you're good to go. I also had this painted black, but this is plastic dip, so it wouldn't, I don't know, I just thought it would look cool. Windows got tinted in the back. Got this somewhat panoramic sunroof, and what I mean by somewhat is that you only get this much of like a sun open, the sunroof, because all this is glass, sure, but that's how much you get. Not sure if you can see underneath there. Let's see. But yeah, so it does cover half of the roof. This is just this little section from here to here, the other half like towards like the back, and all this is just the sunroof, which is pretty cool. I love driving with it open because it just makes the car look even better. As you guys saw in my last video with the coating of the tail light, when the lights come on, meaning all the lights are headlights, you're gonna get this cool pattern after the coating. So the video I have that, it's in my channel, so if you want to see, if you want to get it, that's where I show you guys how to get it, how it's done. The other thing I did add was a carbon fiber spoiler. It's a must, I think. They make 2 different options, I believe. This one, and there was another one that was like pretty big, which looked kind of weird. But there is that one. I went with this little one. So it just, as you can see here, barely sticks up. Then I got this cool little emblem inserts. It's the German flag because obviously, you know, Audis are made in Germany. They're a Volkswagen company. These are inserts, so you insert them individually. No need to take off the emblem. The other thing I did do was did the Resonator Delete, which sounded a little bit different, but not too much, so you can actually tell. Went back the next week, got the muffler deleted, and now it sounds a lot better. And I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like right now. All right, so as you can see, it sounds great, better. And one thing I did cheap out on was the plastic where the exhaust goes. As you can see here, all this little weird cutout, I had them cut this out so I can go ahead and install a dual pipe here and on the other side as well. So this is the stock exhaust trim, I guess you can say. So it's on both sides. So as you can see here, really weird cutout, but hey, you can't really tell even from a far distance, as you can see here. And yeah, so I got some Sailor Moon stickers. Big Sailor Moon fan, grew up with that. And well, the interior, there's really nothing too fancy about it. I did get this little red trim on here so that we can go ahead and stand out because it was chrome, so give it a little out. You got your regular steering wheel, you know, your German Audi interior. But yeah, so that pretty much does it. And so yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.